me a big body Benz. We touching paper for real niggas rapping pretend.
Hey guys. So I haven't trimmed my hair in definitely over a year. Maybe even 2. So today I'm just gonna do it myself. Normally I have my aunt do it, but she's back in New York. I don't live in New York anymore, so, and I haven't found anybody out here that can do it. So I pretty much just wash my hair, and I'm gonna section it off and just take a little bit off the bottom. I noticed that since I haven't trimmed my hair as much, the bottoms have been like breaking off. My hair has been growing, but it's been breaking off because I haven't been trimming it. And also I have a little bit of postpartum shedding going on, so I think that might also be helping to like make knots and pull hair out. So I'm thinking let's try to maybe cut a little bit off to see how it will affect the growing process. So pretty much, I'm not a hairstylist, let me tell you guys. I'm not a hairstylist. I never went to school for it. I just do what I see fit. I try to do what I've seen done before in the past on my hair. So, I don't know. I've always heard from when I was young, don't cut your hair wet. But cutting it dry, I don't like the way it comes out. At least when it's wet, I can see like the layers and stuff in my hair, which right now my layers are pretty much grown out. I feel like my hair is so, I don't know, it needs a little bit of help, but that's the length of my hair. I don't know if you can see. Down my back, if you pull it. So I'm gonna take some inches off. Actually, when was the last time I cut my hair? I don't even remember, but last time I cut my hair, it was up to here. I had a little nub of a ponytail, which is kind of funny. So I'm just gonna fast forward through this part. Man, my little thing broke.
Okay, so as you guys can see here, I am just combing through my hair, sectioning out, combing through, and then I'm taking the scissor and I'm cutting about 2 to 3 inches off. When you stretch that curl, you definitely see how much I took off, but it's about 2 to 3 inches. I took about 2 to 3 spirals worth of a curl. I'm just combing it through, portioning it, combing it through, and repeating the same thing over the whole course of my head. This might not be the best technique, but this is what works, and afterwards my hair looked great, it felt great, so that's what I just do. But yeah, that's pretty much what I do for my hair.
Okay, so I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Extra Moisture Detangler. I use this really right now just for a styler. Yeah, and I have been for a little bit now. This actually made it into my favorites of last month. So, I don't know, I really like it. It gives you nice, like fluffy curls. I normally go in with a styler. But I've been taking a break for the summertime for a little bit with this. So I just rake this through. I mean, my hair's already detangled, but I'm using it more for extra moisture. And look how much better the curls look. Like, look how much more defined they are. Which, I needed to take that weight off. I feel like it was really just dead ends. I haven't trimmed my hair, I haven't colored my hair. I haven't colored my hair since I was about 4 or 5 months pregnant, and I haven't trimmed my hair since way before that, so I was long overdue. I'm just gonna take Beyond the Zone Noodle Head. This activates your curls. Since I've been messing in them, I don't really want to wet them again. Oh man. But I will take a little bit of this to reactivate that curl pattern. So I already know my hair is going to be super tight after this because I did just wash it, and then normally I'll trim my hair after I wash it. I actually, a lot of the times, I made a rule for myself that I don't trim my hair unless it's straight, but I haven't straightened my hair in probably 5 years. About 5 years. October will be 5 years, so. And not that I don't, I think I'm correct. I think it's been around 5 years. Not that I don't like my hair straight, I just prefer my hair curly. And because I have so much hair and it's so curly, the amount of time that it takes to straighten my hair versus the amount of times for it to go back curly is beyond me. So a lot of the times I'll just leave my hair curly, you know what I mean? Like if I want to go to the gym and have a really good sweat session, it's gonna knock out that 2 hours that I did on my hair. Maybe I'll do it sometime soon, but right now in California it's so hot. I would normally straighten my hair in the winter time in New York because it would stay a little better. I would just like pin it up really well. I would do a nice tight braid in my hair and go to the gym. And then when I got home, I would blast it with a little bit of heat to dry up the sweat. And then sometimes just take like a bit of like a straight iron, a flattening iron to get it straight again. So yes, feels so much better running my hair through the ends, and look how those curls bounce back. So I'm gonna keep going here. Denver's so cute. He's sitting right here. He's probably like, who is my mom talking to? Okay, so it's so yellow. I don't know how to fix it. It's the lighting in my bathroom, but we'll get past it. So I pretty much just finished my hair. I used only 2 products. Actually, I want to put an oil on the end, so hold on. Okay, so I want to put some argan oil. This is from Cohen Humble Beautifying Oils, virgin argan oil, 100% pure and cold pressed for all skin types. I actually use this on my hair and my skin. I'm going to just run this through the ends. I'm like hanging on. There's barely anything left. I got to pick up some more oils, but I want to try to get past all the ones that I already have. Okay, so do I have a strangler hair right here? No. So pretty much I just use those products in my hair, and I wish you guys could feel it because it feels so much better. I was just talking to my sister. I was like, forget what it looks like, it feels better. So I just think I really needed to take those dead ends off. And once my hair dries, if I notice any hairs are a little longer than the others, I'll probably just snip that piece off. But this is pretty much how I do my trimmings between going to get my hair done at the salon. And like I said, my aunt is my hairstylist. My hairdresser. When I do go get my hair like professionally trimmed, she's the one that does it for me. She's pretty much the only person that I really let touch my hair other than myself, because I know if I mess it up, it is what it is. And she's all the way back in New York, so maybe, God bless you, baby. Maybe, I'm not sure when we're going to New York, if we're going to New York anytime soon, but I definitely have to see her so she could just touch up my hair. But that's pretty much what I do in between trimmings, and I need to dye my hair soon. I just am not sure. Oh, it feels so good. It looks a little shorter, but that's okay. Oh, let me show you. I took about 2 inches off, I want to say. Maybe even closer to 3. Here, if I can get it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you see it? So I actually took a good amount off. I just wanted all the ends to be pretty healthy. So yeah, and it'll probably grow back before I know it. Hopefully. My hair grows, I want to say, pretty fast, but over the past year, I really haven't taken great care of my hair. I was more worried about my skin throughout my pregnancy than my hair. I know. It all goes hand in hand, but yeah. So this is what I do to trim my naturally curly hair. My hair is about a 3B, 3C curl. Yeah, and that's it. And hopefully it'll dry soon so I can take a picture and you guys can see. This is the after. Middle part, I never do middle parts. Normally do it like that. So this is the after. Feels so good. And I still have a bit of an angle, some layers in there. So, anywho, I gotta clean up the bathroom now because my hair's all over the floor. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Please remember to be blessed, well dressed, and not stressed. And I'll see you there. Bye.